Number 1. Lexus LS 500. When you think reliable luxury, Lexus always comes first. The 2025 Lexus LS 500 is a sedan that proves you don't need to sacrifice peace of mind for prestige. Engine: 3.5L twin-turbo V6 for 116 horsepower. Interior: hand-stitched leather, real wood, and one of the quietest cabins on earth. Price starts around $80,000. Why reliable? Lexus uses Toyota's legendary engineering. Unlike German flagships, the LS doesn't overload itself with overly complex tech that breaks after 5 years. Owners report 200,000 plus miles with minimal issues. If you want Rolls-Royce comfort without Rolls-Royce headaches, the LS 500 is your car. Number 2. Mercedes-Benz E-Class 2025. The E-Class has always been the backbone of Mercedes, balancing technology and long-lasting durability. Engine: mild hybrid inline, 4 and inline, 6 options. Tech: next-gen MBUX infotainment with AI features. Price: $62,000 plus. The trick? Unlike the S-Class, the E-Class avoids extreme complexity, meaning fewer expensive failures. Mechanics even call it one of the safest bets in the Mercedes lineup. You can finally own a Benz that feels premium without fearing $5,000 repair bills every year. Number 3. BMW 5 Series 530i/540i. BMWs have a reputation, thrilling but costly. But the 5 Series is an exception. Engine: 2.0L Turbo 4 and 3.0L Turbo 6 with mild hybrid boost. Transmission: legendary ZF 8-speed auto. Price: from $58,000. Owners say the 5 Series can go 200,000 miles if maintained properly. Unlike the tech-heavy 7 Series, the 5 keeps a balance between performance and long-term dependability. If you want BMW's driving magic without BMW nightmares, this is it. Number 4. Audi A6. The Audi A6 is where practicality meets prestige. AWD, standard quattro system. Interior: minimalist yet futuristic. Price: $57,000 plus. Older Audis had reliability issues, but the new A6 with mild hybrid tech is surprisingly solid. In fact, European drivers keep A6s for 15 plus years, proving their staying power. Audi luxury that doesn't leave you stranded? Yes, the A6 finally delivers. Number 5. Acura TLX Type S. The hidden gem of this list. Acura, Honda's luxury brand, gives us reliability and fun. Engine: 3.0L Turbo V6, 355 horsepower. Drivetrain: super handling, all-wheel drive. Price: around $58,000. Honda DNA means bulletproof reliability. Even past 100k miles, TLX Type S models rarely give trouble, unlike fragile German rivals. This is the car gearheads call the Japanese BMW, but way more reliable. Number 6. Genesis G80. Genesis has shocked the industry. The G80 sedan looks like a Bentley, drives like a Mercedes, but costs far less to own. Engine: turbo, 4 and twin-turbo V6 options. Luxury: Nappa leather, panoramic roof, cutting-edge driver assist. Price: $55,000 plus. Genesis cars consistently top reliability rankings. Repair costs are significantly lower, and warranty coverage is unbeatable. Why pay $100,000 for a German sedan when the Genesis G80 gives you the same feel at half the price and lasts longer? Number 7. Lexus RX 500h. The king of luxury SUVs. The RX has been dominating reliability charts for decades. Engine: 2.4L turbo hybrid with AWD. MPG: excellent for an SUV its size. Price: $64,000. The RX is known to last 200,000 plus miles, with thousands of owners reporting problem-free ownership for a decade or more. This is the SUV you buy once and hand down to your kids. Number 8. Porsche Macan gas models. Not all Porsches are scary. The Macan is a small SUV that blends luxury, sport, sportiness, and, surprisingly, reliability. Engine: turbo, 4 and V6 options. Handling: one of the best driving SUVs ever made. Price: $60,000 plus. The Macan has been praised for rarely breaking down. Yes, repairs are costly, but they're not frequent. Plus, resale values remain sky-high. A Porsche you can actually keep long-term? The Macan makes it possible. Number 9. Volvo XC90. The Volvo XC90 proves that Scandinavian design can be both beautiful and durable. Engine: T6 and B6 turbocharged hybrids. Interior: minimalist luxury, crystal gear shifter, cutting-edge safety. Price: $57,000 plus. Volvo has massively improved reliability, and XC90s are known to stay on the road for 150k plus miles easily. Add in top safety ratings, and it's one of the smartest luxury buys. Luxury plus safety plus reliability equals the XC90. The complete package. Number 10. Infiniti QX60. Infiniti doesn't always get the spotlight, but the QX60 is a family luxury SUV worth noticing. Engine: 3.5 LV6, shared with Nissan Pathfinder, proven for decades. Interior: plush, spacious, tech-loaded. Price: around $50,000. It's not flashy like a BMW X5, but the QX60 is far more dependable and cheaper to maintain. The smart family luxury SUV, elegant, reliable, and affordable to own. Number 11. Genesis GV70. The GV70 is a compact luxury SUV that has already beaten European rivals in owner surveys. Engine: turbo, 4 and twin-turbo V6. Price: $55,000 plus. Features: striking design, plush interiors, strong reliability. It consistently ranks above BMW X3 and Audi Q5 in customer satisfaction. It looks like a $90,000 SUV, but costs half and lasts twice as long. Number 12. Lexus GX 550, 2025. We close with a legend. The 2025 Lexus GX 550 is basically a luxury version of the Toyota Land Cruiser. Engine: 3.4L twin-turbo V6, 349 horsepower. Build: rugged body-on-frame SUV. Price: around $70,000. GXs are famous for lasting 20-plus years. Some are still on the road with 400,000 miles. This is the ultimate luxury SUV for people who actually want to keep their car for life. So, those were 12 luxury cars worth owning even after warranty. From Lexus bulletproof sedans and SUVs, to Genesis rising luxury empire, and even surprise picks like Porsche and Infiniti, these cars prove that luxury doesn't have to mean endless repair bills. Tell me, which one would you keep long-term? Drop your answer in the comments, because I want to see which brand wins the reliability crown. Smash that like button, share this with a friend who's shopping for a luxury car, and subscribe for more deep dives into the cars that actually matter.